Two workers were going to repair an exit sign light box at the ground floor lobby of a building under construction. One of the workers got an electric shock when he was checking the circuit of the light box above the false ceiling. He gave a loud shout and collapsed. Later, he was certified dead in the hospital. What went wrong? The live wire in the junction box connecting to the light box was detached. Therefore, the exit sign was not on. The worker did not switch off the power supply to the light box before repairing. When he was checking the junction box, his hand came into contact with the exposed live metal part of the detached wire. He was electrocuted as a result. How to prevent the accident? Before carrying out electrical work, switch off the associated power supply. Lock up the switchboard and post a warning notice. Besides, check to ensure the circuit and apparatus have been dead. If live electrical work could not be avoided, workers should use suitable personal protective equipment such as insulated gloves, insulated mats, etc. to enhance electrical safety. Furthermore, electrical work should be carried out by registered electrical workers. Safety is a shared responsibility. Let's join hands to make the workplace safe. Take adequate safety precautions and work safely.